So, yan guys, ang ating huli for today. Isang palanggana. Check natin kung gaano kalalaki ang ating mga huli for today's hunt. Oops. One down. Taba guys, so mahamaw. 2 down. Maliliit lang guys, oh. 3 down. Oh, solid guys. At ito pa, last but not the least. Ayan guys, ang pinakamaliit sa lahat. Solid. Mamaw. Tingnan nyo ito guys, itong chopping board. Gano'n kalaki yan guys. Tingnan nyo. Oh. Sinda kayo ng chopping board. Oh. Solid. Oh. Solid.